Eating spicy food at night will make you snore because triggers acid reflux. Spicy foods can stimulate the stomach to produce more acid. When you lie down to sleep, acid is more likely to flow back up into the throat, acid reflux, causing irritation and swelling in the soft tissues. This narrows the airway and makes snoring more likely. Irritates nasal and throat lining. Spicy foods can inflame the lining of the nose and throat, narrowing the airways and increasing the risk of snoring. Causes mild dehydration. Spicy foods can lead to slight dehydration, drying out the airway lining and increasing the friction between soft tissues as you breathe, leading to snoring sounds. So, it's best to avoid spicy foods at least 3 to 4 hours before bedtime to reduce the risk of snoring. Let me know if you'd like more advice on adjusting your eating habits to help with snoring.